I'm Kayla with Dirt Road Dancing, and it's time to dance Country Bump to the song Country Music Made Me Do It. This is a 32 count, 4-wall line dance, and if you haven't learned it yet, click the link right up here and it'll lead you to the tutorial. Please do not forget, subscribe right down below, and let's dance it out.
Headlights headed home, picked up that wine you wanted me to bring. Then my buddies called up, thought I'd stop off, it was only gonna be one drink. Then the band got to wailing on old haggard songs, and the next thing you know, I'm drinking all night long. Country music made me do it, made me do it. Party in the plan, hurting in my heart, guitar in my hand. Country music made me do it, made me do it. God as my witness, I had good intentions of loving on you all night long, begging and pleading. You know my weakness for them drinking and them cheating songs. I know I should've called, should've came straight home, but if you wanna point the finger, baby, blame George Jones. Country music made me do it, made me do it. That honky-tonkin' got my boots moving, got 'em moving. Put the makers in the mark, put the party in the plan, put this hurting in my heart, guitar in my hand. Country music made me do it, made me do it, alright. Put the makers in the mark, put the party in the plan, hurting in my heart, guitar in my hand. Put my lip to the bottle, tear in my beer,